Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, guys, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit the notification, that little bell somewhere down there in the corner, so you are notified anytime that I upload some information and or go live. My name is Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. I'm saying that really slow today because I want you guys to hear the importance of who I am, what I teach, why I teach it, and why you should learn it. Home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. I am not your financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. I do not hold any financial license. I do not play a financial advisor on social media, nor in person. I give you what the school system has been forbidden to give you, and that is financial education, financial literacy, financial lessons. I help you uncover the hidden financial booby traps, if you would. And today, guys, we're going to talk about one of them. Sunny California. Now it's starting to rain. I'm out here enjoying this great fresh air after the rain, and now here comes the rain. Okay, guys, let me jump right into what I want to tell you so I can get back into a dry space. Here's the title of my message today. A mortgage. This is going to be tough for some of you. Okay? A mortgage, in my opinion, based on my documentation, is the biggest, this is going to be hard, financial pimp game that has been placed on the American people. Let me say that really slow. Having a mortgage where you reside in that home and pay a monthly expense towards a home mortgage loan. Let me get up under here. Is, in my opinion, with 100% documentation, the biggest financial pimp game played on American people outside of the federal tax system. Let me give you guys some numbers. And I really want you, if you're a homeowner, I want you to hear this and don't take offense to it, okay? We've all been bamboozled. Our parents didn't teach us this information. Financial education wasn't as available as it is today because we now have the internet. We have folks like myself that is willing to share this information. So let me get into the numbers. Okay, a $450,000 home with a 4% interest rate. First of all, let's talk about that. When you hear a 4% interest rate, let me ask you a question. Do you think that that's a 4% interest rate on the $450,000 mortgage? How many of you that are watching this video, okay, please put it in the comments, guys. The more we share, the more we help others learn this information. It's starting to rain just a little bit harder, so you might hear some water, but I got to get this done, okay? When you hear a 4% or 5% mortgage interest rate, do you believe that that is on the entire price of the home? In this case, $450,000 house. No, that's not the way it works. In fact, you will be shocked. You'll be shocked that at the end of a 30-year mortgage, you have probably paid upwards of 200 to 300%. No, I'm still here. After following the guidelines of a 30-year mortgage, you would be shocked to find out that you most likely have paid anywhere between 200% and more. So where does that 4% come in? I want you to think about that. So let me give you the numbers, okay? I wrote them down, make sure that I get the information correct. Okay, $450,000 mortgage on a 30-year loan. Your monthly mortgage payment is $2,148, in which $1,500 of that goes into the bank pocket in the form of interest. Let me say that again. Your monthly payment is $2,148, in which more than 60% of it goes into the bank pocket. Month 1, month 2, month 3. In fact, only $648 out of your $2,148 goes towards the actual $450,000 debt. In 10 years, that means that you would have paid upwards of $180,000 in interest on that $450,000 home and $77,000 in principal. That means in 10 years, you have paid 50% of the $450,000 home. Yet you still got 20 more years of paying. We got to do better. Guys, we've got to do better. I think even the rain gods are saying, look, I think the rain gods are starting to cry. We got to do better. Okay? You have 20 more years. After 10 years, you have already paid 50% of the $450,000 home, in which $180,000 went into the bank pocket in the form of interest. And to add injury or insult to injury. Don't miss this, homeowners. Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Good.
Oh, look at the doggy. Look at the dog. He's excited. Have a good one now.
Thank you.
Don't miss this one. Okay? Since 2018, 99% of homeowners doesn't get to write off the mortgage interest and the property taxes on their home. What that means, why is that significant, Mark? What that means is that if you're not able to write it off, that means that you're paying the federal income tax on that money. And if you live in a state where you pay state income taxes, you're paying state income taxes on that money. On top of the fact that you pay Social Security and Medicare on that money. I hope you guys get this. Okay? I hope you get this. So you gave the bank $1,500, in which, when you filed your taxes and or got your paycheck, you had to pay federal and state income taxes on that money because you could not deduct it on your taxes. If you're a homeowner and you're shaking your head, you're saying, no, that absolutely is not the truth. We are deducting the mortgage interest on our taxes. We just did our taxes, okay? This is February, beginning of February. We just did our taxes, Mark. You're wrong, okay? I'm going to say two things. You probably want to call your tax preparer and ask, did I get a tax deduction for the mortgage interest and property taxes that you put on my tax return? And or, if you did, that's not a flex. You should not be bragging. Don't tell anyone, because what you are saying is that I gave the bank, Mark, as a married couple, I gave the bank more than $27,000 in interest. Don't do that. It's not a flex. Hopefully that's not you. Okay? Hopefully that's not you. Some of you said, what? Wait, well, I didn't catch that. You got to go back and rewind it. And so, guys, the message here is this. The message is not that owning a home is bad. The message is that we have been bamboozled on how to actually own a home. See, we think we own a home when actually all we really own is responsibility to pay the debt. Because if you don't pay those property taxes, for 6 months, you're going to find out who actually has the authority and the control over that house. If you don't pay the mortgage, right, which is, you got to pay your debts, right? But it is egregious. It is downright disrespectful. It is foolish to purchase something for $450,000 and be okay with, at the end of the day, your total out-of-pocket costs because of the interest is $750,000. Folks, we got to do better. And so some of you are saying, Mark, well, what's the solution? You told us all this, bad things about the mortgage and how we're being financially abused and misused and robbed. What is the solution? Well, there definitely is one. There definitely is one. Okay. And I'm going to be sharing, some of the things that I know that as a homeowner or someone that is looking to purchase a home, things you can do to position yourself better. Because, guys, there's nothing right about 60% of your money going into someone else's pocket and you paying almost 100% more for something. We got to do better. So with that being said, guys, I hope you got value from this. If you have any questions, guys, put it down in the comment section of this video. Hit the like button, share this video. If you are in the market to buy a home and you would like some advice, if you really want to know what the real numbers are behind the scene that they're not going to show you, go ahead and shoot me an email. My email is somewhere down below. If you want to get tax informed, you need to get tax informed, guys. Getting tax informed is the #1 way to protect and create wealth, and you can do it legally, ethically, and morally. You got to get tax informed. Go ahead and email me. The email's down there in the subject. I'm going to leave you with this. The Bible says that the debtor will be slave to the lender. The Bible also says that a fool and his money will soon part. And the Bible also says that my people are destroyed from the lack of knowledge. 2024, we're putting an end to that. My question is, are you coming along? Mark Pryor's home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, guys. We'll see you where? We'll see you on the right side of money. 2024 is the year for more prosperity, more time freedom, more tax savings, and more financial education. We'll see you guys on the next video. Like, comment, and share.